Many Instagram users are experiencing issues with the share list, where it shows incorrect or unexpected contacts, often including people they haven't interacted with or celebrities. So this share list, which suggests people to share posts or reels with, is showing random accounts at the top and pushing the ones you frequently interact with down at the bottom. Because of this, the list may not prioritize the people you frequently share with, requiring you to search for them instead. Some users have reported the list changing unpredictably, even without any apparent changes to their interactions, and in some cases, the share list may not load at all, or it may take a long time to load, making it difficult to share content quickly. Now, while there isn't an official fix yet, there are a few steps you can take to try to resolve the issue, and I'll guide you through them. But before we dive into that, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more updates. The first step is to update your Instagram app. This is usually the very first thing to try, as it helps to ensure that any glitches are resolved. So make sure you go to your Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app. The other solution is for you to try reinstalling the app. So if the problem persists, uninstall and then reinstall your Instagram app. If none of that works, another helpful step is to report the problem directly to Instagram. Now this is useful because it alerts their team to the issue and they might provide updates or solutions. So to do this, log into your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap the three-line menu at the top right corner to open settings. Under the settings menu, scroll down and select help, then choose report a problem, and you can follow the prompts and clearly explain the issue you're experiencing. Finally, keep in mind that glitches like this are often temporary, so sometimes waiting for a few hours or days can allow Instagram to push out bug fixes and resolve the problem. So in the meantime, you can continue using the app and I'll keep you updated on more solutions.